What is competency in Moodle? A competency in Moodle is a measurable skill, knowledge, or ability a learner is expected to achieve. Think of it as a specific learning outcome, like applies critical thinking or demonstrates proficiency in project planning. How competencies work in Moodle. These individual competencies are organized within competency frameworks, which provide a structured hierarchy of related skills for a program or organization. Once defined, competencies can be linked directly to entire Moodle courses or specific activities within them, like quizzes, assignments, or forums. This means completing an activity can provide evidence of a learner's progress toward mastering a competency. Moodle also uses competencies to create learning plans, which are personalized roadmaps for individual students. Educators can then track and rate a learner's proficiency in these competencies, either manually or automatically based on activity completion and grades. This system offers robust reporting to monitor progress, identify learning gaps, and support a more outcomes-focused, personalized learning experience beyond just course grades.